What's going on, guys? It's March 5th, 2023. Back here at Autocross at Evergreen Speedway. Hello, Cody.
Hello, Aaron.
Driving Daniel's Focus ST today. Never driven a Focus on track. See how it goes. It's on some Continental Extreme contacts. I think it's stock struts, sway bars, upgraded brake pads. I think that's it. I'm actually pretty excited to drive this thing. The Civic's running really well. I just didn't feel like bringing it out today because on-grid is in 1 week. But yeah, just getting unloaded and we're gonna get going on this. I just got teched in. I think I'm gonna be running Group 2 today, but there's a lot of people here. I think everyone's just getting their car ready for on-grid. So everyone's coming out here today just to test their car. What? Damn, DJ on the fresh CRS. Look at that. Wow.
Yeah. Andy and Jazz.
You ready to win front wheel drives today? Got that dog in them. Jack's got the new wheels and tires on the fit. You got new wheels and tires too. You just need to put them on.
Yeah, I'm gonna put them on.
Let's go.
I'm gonna do that right now.
He's back from the dead, ladies and gentlemen.
I know.
That guy went is now that guy is going again.
I'm back.
Thanks for letting me use your car, man.
No problem. Let me know how you like it.
I like that thing. It drives good on the street.
I know.
I'm in an Aaron video.
Let's go.
Uh-oh.
What's up, baby?
What's up, baby? Let's go. First autocross back out in the silver bullet.
Let's go.
The Coors
The
Light
Coors
Mobile.
Light Mobile.
Yup.
She dirty.
Yeah, got a lot of people out here today. It's the gathering of the Honda Fits. Look at them all. There's a couple of them down there too. Just finished the course walk. It's looking like it's gonna be a pretty nice day out. A little disappointed that I'm on the Continentals. I had an opportunity to put some RE71s on this thing, but I thought it was gonna be a little bit wetter than it is today. But I'm in second run group. We're gonna go up here pretty soon. I'll get some footage of that. Here we go. Henry Ford, be with me. This thing's fast. Holy shit, dude. I just turned off all the assists, see if this is any faster. I just need to stop overdriving the car. I'm just like plowing through stuff. So I just ran the first session in Daniel's Focus. I managed to get the car down to a 103.9. Just took some pressure out of the tires. We'll see if I can go any faster next time. But this thing's totally a blast to drive. Really enjoy it. Kind of wish that I was on some better tires, but definitely having a good time driving this thing.
Watch out, Bucky. Bam. Ugh.
Drop some PSI in the tires. It's a little bit colder out now. Let's see what we can do. My time down to a 103.3. The first two were pretty decent. The last two I was just over driving the car still. I I hit cones on 2 runs, but definitely getting a lot more used to this thing, and it's pretty fun to kick the back out and then try and correct it. Gonna film a little bit of 3rd run group, and then I'll go out for one more session. Cone, it fucking sucks. The dash is in the way.
Oh my god.
Oh, I ate it. last run group. I didn't really improve much over my best time. I ended the day with like a 103.3. I tried to drive the car a little bit differently, but it really didn't make too much of a difference. So I just definitely need to try this thing on different tires next time. But it was fun. I really like driving this Focus ST, and I'll probably do it again soon. Probably gonna end the video here. Thank you guys for watching. As always, thank you for 100 subscribers, and like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. hit it? No, I don't think I did. What do we got? What do we got? 028? What the fuck?
God damn, Eric.